Welcome back to the channel, folks. I'm here, and today is a very special day because today we get to celebrate Patriot Day. It is not just another day where we remember those who lost their lives in Boston or on the USS Constitution, but it's also the birthday of our great friend and supporter, Mr. John Paul Mac Isaac. We wish you many happy returns of the day, Mr. Isaac. Thank you for being such a tremendous supporter of this channel and for your service to our country. And I know you're busy today, so we'll keep this short and sweet, but I wanted to take just a minute or two to thank you for everything that you do for us, for your service in Vietnam, for your donations to various veterans groups, for stepping up and being a tremendous example for all of us with how to be a responsible gun owner, for speaking out against gun control, and for being a force for good in our community and in our country. Mr. Isaac, you are a true American patriot and you're an inspiration to us all. So again, from all of us here at the organization, happy birthday. We hope you have a wonderful day filled with all the things that you love, including, I'm sure, some time with family and friends, maybe a nice cold beer and a cigar, maybe a nice steak to, the good things in life that we all appreciate. There's something that I've been thinking about a lot lately. One of the things that I think is really important for us to do is to thank the people in our lives who have made a difference for us. We talk a lot about freedom and liberty on this channel, and those are really important topics. But sometimes we forget that there are people in our lives who have helped us to be the people that we are today. I know for me personally, there are people who have inspired me, encouraged me, supported me, and helped me to become the person that I am today. And I know that you feel the same way, Mr. Isaac. There are people in your life who have had an impact on you, who have inspired you, who have supported you, and who have helped you to become the person that you are today. So on your birthday, I want you to take a moment to think about those people and to thank them for their support. Sometimes we take for granted the people in our lives who have made a difference for us. We get so caught up in the day-to-day that we take the time to stop and say thank you. So today is a great opportunity for us to do just that. So thank you again, Mr. Isaac, for being such a tremendous patriot, for being a force for good in our community and in our country, and for being an inspiration to us all. We wish you a very happy birthday. Now, before we go, I just want to remind you that you are amazing. You're awesome, and I appreciate you stopping by today. And please, please, please remember that the best is yet to come. So until we see each other again, be safe. Stay vigilant and carry a gun to keep you, your friends, your family, your community safe. That's what it's for. It's not going anywhere, and the government isn't going to take it from you. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.